Hey guys, and welcome to the video today. I know I haven't uploaded in quite a while, so I decided to do a quick GTA jump off the cliff, as it was a last second idea, off the top of Mount Chiliad. I'm going to get a cop car now, and just quickly get to this one, and we'll quickly jump off and then see whether we survive and get the police off. Let's get in this one. Let's go. I'm a cool guy, it's fine. We were planning to do this with a faggot, but the amount of preparation it took for this, it just couldn't be bothered to head all the way back down just to try and get it back up again. I survived it, I think. Or not. I recovered it! Oh, I'm such a good driver. It's fine, I'm a cop. What the fuck just happened? I'm starting to lose control of the car.
Sounds really retarded.
Damn it. Guys, if you want to see it with the Fagio, then leave a like and hit 2 likes. And see ya.